Hey everyone, welcome to the Neurospicy Mama, a product review channel. My name's Amanda and I am autistic. I think that's important because it affects the way that I review products. I really love to go into the nitty gritty and I pay attention to things that I think sometimes allistic people just don't pay attention to. I've been on YouTube for about 3 years now. And in that time, I've gone through quite the variety of microphones. And today I want to talk about the one that I'm currently using, and it is definitely my favorite one so far. I am not a tech person. I do these product review videos of things that I love to do. Sometimes I do unboxing videos where I'm giving a first impression. And then I have another channel where I do talk about my autism, ADHD, and other neurodivergencies. And I use my microphone for that video, that channel also. But I'm not a tech person. I'm going to be coming at this video as a YouTuber who wants a good microphone, but does not understand like how sound works or anything like that. So if you want something that goes into the technical aspects of the microphone, that isn't for you. I am looking for people who are interested in finding a very intuitive, user-friendly microphone that's pretty much plug and play and doesn't really care about like equalizing the sound or anything like that. They just want something that works really well and is easy to use. So this is not going to be an unboxing video because I have been using this microphone now for probably, I don't know, almost a year probably. So this is the Hollyland LarkM2. And one of the things that I really love about it is the fact that it works with your phone. And it also works with if you have a camera that you want to use. I will explain some of the differences of those. So this is the box that it comes with. And like I said, I've already unboxed it, but I do have something in the box that I haven't really used that much. And it comes with these cute little stickers that you can put on your mic. Oh, I didn't even notice there were some blank ones. Right now I have the mic without a sticker on it. And I found a sticker that just happens to fit that says be your best self, and I have that on the second mic. But you know what? I really appreciate that they have just blank ones because I hate it when products like force you to show off their brand. Like I didn't buy this. Oh, by the way, I did buy this microphone. This is not a sponsored post at all. But I don't buy products and then like automatically just want to promote them. Right? So the fact that this is their logo, you know, like I didn't sign up for that. I just want a microphone. So I do appreciate that they included blank stickers and the little cutesy ones too, if that's your personality. Okay. So first thing what I'm going to do is show you everything that does come in the box because I do have all of it. So this is the case. And it is where it houses the microphones and this thingy. And again, I am not a technical channel, so I don't know what this thingy is called, but I'll tell you how to use it. I know what it does. I don't know what it's called. And the thing that I love about this is they clip in really well. Like it feels like it has like a little bit of magnet to it. And so it has little slots. And again, the microphone that I'm using right here goes there. And it snaps shut. Again, it feels like it has a magnet. And then you charge it right here on the back. And it will show you indicator right here of how much it's charged. Let's see. I think when you put it in, I don't know if you can see, but I've got 3. And so I have a 4th battery spot. So it could use charging. I mean, not really. It's got 3 lit up right now. But 4 means fully charged. So I like this case, the fact that it holds the microphones. I wish that it had, so right now I've got a piece of it in the phone. And again, I don't know what the pieces are called, but there's a part that you plug in your phone and then it sends the signal to the microphone. The one that I have an Android phone, so it looks just like this, except that it's got a C plug. This was the Apple one, so it's got the like other kind of plug. Although I think the new Apple phones now have the C also, so this may not even be used. But it comes with the C one that's currently in my phone. It comes with this. It comes with 2 microphones, which I think is really cool because that way if you want somebody else in your video, you have 2. And then this piece is used if you're using a camera, not if you're using your cell phone. This little wire is what plugs into this thingy and then into your camera. And I'm sorry, this video, I really do try to be more blind accommodating and describe things. But again, I'm not technical and I don't know the words for everything. Okay, so these little fuzzy things, it comes with 2, 1 for each mic. They're so soft. They go right over the mic, and so if you're filming outdoors or anytime that you want to be able to like make sure that wind or other noises aren't being picked up, that's when you would use these. It comes with a charging cable for the case. Obviously I haven't used it because I just use the one that I, charge my cell phone with, or other ones I have around the house. Okay, so here's some cool things that I love that it includes. I'm trying to figure out how to show you this. Okay, so I don't know. I'm going to mess with the mic so it might make sounds. But right now I've got the mic attached to my shirt using... It's a very strong magnet, using this little magnet right here, right? But if for some reason you want to clip it to your tie, or whatever reason that you don't want to clip it through your shirt, it comes with these little clips. So then it magnets, and then you can use this, again, very strong clip to clip it to the edge or to your tie, or however you would want to clip it. I just usually clip it to my shirt like that. Now, if for some reason that I don't know why, but it's for some reason you don't want to clip it to your clothes, again, I don't know why you wouldn't, but I don't know what this is. It was between these 2 things. Maybe it's to protect it. I don't know. Sorry, I'm just now seeing this thing for the first time because I've never used this piece. There's 2 of them, 1 for each mic. And what this does is, again, if you didn't want to clip it to your shirt, all these magnets are so strong. You can clip this, you can magnet this to this necklace, which is tied up still because I have never used it, and then hang it around your neck. So it's just another way to be able to have the microphone. I love that there's so many choices included. Okay, so this is on my phone with the microphone. Now I'm going to unplug the part from my phone, which will disable the mic, and I will show you what this same video sounds like without using a mic. Okay, so I put the mic away and took the piece that was on the phone off, and so I'm still at the same distance. I'm about 2 feet from my camera, and this is the sound without the mic. I'm going to back up, and I'll show you again with the mic too. So if for some reason I was further away, this again is the sound without the mic. Now the mic is back in, and if I was to come across the room, this is what the sound would sound like from probably 8 feet away from my camera. Okay, without the mic, one more thing I wanted to show you, because for the longest time I was using my camera and this mic as the main thing, and I liked this carrying case, but I didn't want to lose this, so I put a Velcro dot on the back and a Velcro dot here, and I have to be careful because I don't want this to fall off, but at least this kind of kept these things together. It did come with a bag for all the stuff that you're seeing, so there is a little bag, but I didn't want to necessarily bring all of this stuff. Sometimes I just want to bring this with me. Okay, I'm going to show you now what it sounds like on a different kind of camera and the other piece, but I just wanted to show you some of the other mics that I've used in the past. This one, it had like a little muffle thing on top, but that has long since been gone. So this is another just like plug and play. It was fine, but it caused a lot of issues. It would flake out on me quite often. and the sound quality was not that good. It's better than no mic, but still not that great. Then I used a Saramonic for a long time. You had to have this extra weird piece to be able to hook it up to your phone, because otherwise it was just designed for a camera. So I had to buy this little piece separately, and it was, this wire would make things flimsy because again, this part is the part that would go to your phone, and if it just got tapped just a little bit, it would get disconnected. I did like this mic, but look, this is also the part that you would clip to your clothing, and it was super big and bulky. I like how tiny this one is. Like, this is the size of maybe a quarter. So I've recently bought a GoPro, and so I'm going to show you, well, hold on. I guess I can show you on this camera. I've lost my favorite other tripod, so I've got my camera on a very short tripod right now, working with what I have because I don't know where I put it. Okay, so this is the the part that goes into the camera, like I was telling you. I should have learned the names, but I just don't care. And it's not the point of the video. So this thing, most cameras have, I think, what it's called a shoe. So it's like little plastic railings or something. And so this slides on. Again, I told you I'm not going to get technical. So that slides on, so it's really nice and secure to the camera. And again, this is a GoPro, but most cameras have something that, you know, has a piece where you can slide stuff on. And then for the GoPro, this piece plugs in here. I hope the sound is still working on my camera now that I've got this thing out of the box. Oh my gosh, if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna be really mad at myself. Okay, so I'm wondering if the sound is working. So I'm gonna switch cameras really quick, and I'm gonna show you how the sound works on this one. Okay, so now I've got my mic hooked up to my GoPro, and so the video might look slightly different, but the sound should be fairly the same. This is, again, about 2 feet from my camera, and if I was to walk across the room, then this is the microphone at like 8 feet. One thing that I want to also mention is that on that receiver piece, there is a dial. So right now I've got it lit up 3. I'll show it to you when I take it off. And this is it on 1, and I think it changes the sound quality. It makes the microphone quieter. So this is on 1, and this is on 3. One of the things that I really love about this microphone is how plug and play it is. I mean, you just pop them in, you pull it out. It pairs with when you're using it on your phone, it pairs very easily in your Bluetooth settings. I only ever did it the first time I used it. Ever since then, pull it out and it just works. I'm only one person here, so I don't know how to test both at once, but I pulled them both out. So I'm going to put this up to my mouth, and maybe you can hear that it's coming out of this one. I'll cover this one up. Sorry, I don't know how to test 2 mics of being one person. But like if I was interviewing, I could have someone else in the room. And then this mic is now hopefully picking up more sound because I've got this one way over here. So that'll be interesting. I've never actually tried out both. Okay, so this is my GoPro without an additional mic, just the mic built into the GoPro. But I wanted to show you this little dial that I was talking about. Now it's not going to light up because it only lights up when it's plugged in, but there's 3 little indicators right here, and when you turn this dial, that's the one I was talking about. Also on this receiver are 2 buttons that I've never used, and a power. So I think you can power it while you are using it. Then there's an on and off power switch, which again, I've never used. And then I don't know what this one is. It's M, and then I don't know what that symbol is. But I've never used these 2 buttons in the time that I have used this microphone. So I probably should look what that is, but Obviously, it's still very user-friendly, even if you aren't using all of its features. Anyway, that is my complete review. I can answer any questions that you have about like how to use the mic. I cannot answer technical questions, but if you have any non-technical questions, then drop them down in the comments section. Also, I do have this linked to my Amazon storefront. It's in the category called like phone and electronics. I bought this mic myself. This is not a paid promotion. I have no connection with Hollyland. I've just been using this mic and actually really like it a lot. And so that's why I wanted to do a review on it. But if you do use my Amazon link, then Amazon throws a little bit of money my way for you using that affiliate link, which I really appreciate. If you found this video useful in any way, please like it or leave a comment. That helps me with the algorithm, and I really appreciate it.